Assalamualaikum. Can you hear me?
Walaikum assalam. Yes, Heba. Am I clearly audible to you?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So, yes, Heba, we were going to discuss the worksheet, right?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So, till which question did we do? Which question did we stop at?
We stopped at the 6th question. To start with the 7th question.
Okay. We have to start the 7th question. All right. So, okay. Question number 7. Wait, Heba, were you able to find the other values in question number 6? Were you able to find the values of A, B, and C?
Yeah.
Tell me what were the values of A, B, and C in the first part.
A plus 55 plus 60 gives 180. And
One sec. Bache, one sec. That's how you started. You said A plus.
55
Okay, I'm talking about the
plus
first
60.
part, bacha. The first part. The first triangle, the triangle on the left. This one.
Oh, I thought we did this in class. So I
We
forgot to
did
do
it. Okay, you found out the answer also in class itself.
Yeah. I have
Okay,
in
fine.
my notes.
Fine. Okay, then we can talk about the second one. Yeah. What were you saying?
Wait, actually, we didn't do it.
That's what I was thinking. We didn't find the answer in the class. Okay. See, what is C, Hiba? From here, can you find C?
Yeah.
How much?
Fine. C plus 60 plus 70 gives 180.
Very good.
60 plus 70.
So C becomes?
Wait, I'm finding.
You hadn't done it in your notebook.
I thought we did this in class, so I did the second
Acha.
one instead. Wait a second. C is equal to 50.
Very good. C is 50. Then
B and C are forming a linear pair, so B will be
very
also
good.
50.
No. If two angles are forming a linear pair, they will both be equal.
No, it will be 50 plus C gives 180.
50 plus B gives 180. Very good.
Yeah. So wait. Can we say B plus 50?
Yes, B plus 50 is 180. Then B becomes
30. B becomes 30.
no, not 30, but say 130. Okay.
Then we will say A plus 130 plus 30 gives 180.
Okay, then A becomes
160. A plus 160 gives 180.
very good.
Then we will subtract it.
A becomes
It will be 20.
20. Okay, good. Now let's come to the second one.
We start this off as A plus 55 plus 6 gives 180.
Very good. Then
And then A is equal to 65.
A is equal to
A is equal to 65.
Very
No,
good.
no,
It is equal
sorry,
to 65.
65. Only 65.
Yeah.
And the next part is A and B are forming a linear.
Very good.
So we will say that 65 plus B gives 180.
But you can also think of it like this. See, this angle B, it is an external angle, and these two are internal interior opposite angles, right?
Yeah.
So what will it be? B is equal to sum of the interior opposite angles, which is 60 plus 55. 60 plus 55, bache, this is 60, this is 55. So you add them because B is the exterior angle. Here you are applying the exterior angle property. Okay, then you will get 115. Okay.
And then we will say C plus 115 plus 40 is 180.
Very good.
C plus 155 gives 180.
Yes.
And then we subtract it. It will be C is equal to 50.
No, not 50, bache.
15.
15.
No, sorry, 25.
25. Very good. Okay, but shall we move on to the next one?
Yes.
Okay. Where did it go? Just a sec, Hiba. I lost my questions. Okay. So this was question number 6. Now we're on to question number 7. So yes, how did you do this?
The 7th question is confusing, so I didn't do it.
Okay. You have to find the measure of this angle and this angle. How will you do it?
We will cross it.
So we will make an imaginary cross with our pencil, not with the pen. Okay. Even in your exam, remember to make it with a pencil. Always the diagram should be with a pencil only. Okay. Then they both are equal. Let's say that it is equal to x. Yeah.
Yeah.
So if this is x, then this will also be x.
Where did the x come from?
Hiba, you have to just assume that it is equal to something. Okay, you have to just let it be a particular variable. Just a sec, what is this? Okay.
It can be any variable.
Yeah, it can be any variable. You can say y, z, whatever, r, s, t, whatever. But since x is like the standard thing, we say x.
Okay, understood.
Okay. From here, can you do it now? It's easy now, right?
Yeah.
Tell me, what will it be?
It will be x plus 30 gives 180.
Yeah, so x will be
2x plus 30 gives 180.
2x plus 30 is equal to 180. 2x is equal to 150. X is equal to 150 by 2. And that is how much?
It will be 5. So say 75.
75. Yes. Okay, so we have found x. Question number 7 done. Is it clear?
Can you give me some time to write it down?
Yeah, okay, write it.
Okay, completed.
Good. Now let's move on to the next one. How shall we do this, Hiba?
First, we will find x.
Okay. Tell me what will x be?
X plus 45 plus
Hmm.
60 gives 180.
Hmm.
Then it's
Then
100, x plus 105 gives 180.
then
X is equal to 75.
75.
Yeah.
Okay. Then what is y?
Is y an exterior?
Yes, very good. Exterior angle.
Wait,
So y will be equal to
the sum of two interior angles is
interior
80 right?
opposite angles. Very good. That will be
So what do we have to do now?
y will be the sum of the interior opposite angles. What are the interior opposite angles, Hiba? कौन से हैं interior opposite angles?
60 and 45.
45 जो है वो y का opposite angle है.
No, 60 and x.
Very good.
So 60 plus 75.
Very good. Excellent. 60 plus 75 is how much?
30. Sorry, 135.
Okay.
Yeah.
Always remember to put your answer in a box. Okay. Shall we move on? Hiba, have you not done any of these questions, bache?
Yeah,
Have you done? Which questions have you done?
6, 7, and 8. And the rest.
After that you've done or not?
No.
No. Why not, bache?
I will do it after class.
You'll do it after the class. Okay. I think the 9th one we should discuss first. Okay. Are you done? Can we move ahead?
Yeah.
Okay. ninth one. Hiba, you'll have to think about it uh, a little carefully. See, this angle, now look carefully, okay? This angle, 70 degrees, is equal to this angle, 70 degrees. When does it happen, Hiba? When does it happen that these, like, can you see them forming a Z over here?
Yeah,
When does
they
it
are
happen?
corresponding.
No, they're not corresponding. They are
Interior opposite angles.
alternate interior angles. Remember?
Yeah,
So when alternate interior angles, when they are equal, they are not telling you that this line is parallel to, wait, let me sec one sec. They're not telling you that this line is parallel to this line. They're not telling you. Instead, what they are telling you is that this angle is equal to this angle. So you must be smart enough to say that, oh, that means if these two angles are equal, that means this line is parallel to this line. Yes?
yeah.
Okay. So it's parallel. They are asking you to find the measure of which angle. One sec. Let me just name all of these. L, M, O, P, and N. So they are asking you to find PON, which is this one, and NPO, which is this one. Hiba, can you look at, oh yeah, and this one is 20 degrees. Let me just, Hiba, can you look at this figure? And now we know one thing. What is that? That this line and this line are parallel. So Hiba, if these two lines are parallel, can you find the measure of this angle? Yeah,
Uh, I
can you
think
find
it
the
will
measure?
be 20
Very good. And how?
because they are alternate interior
Very
angles.
good. So this one and this one are alternate interior angles. Why are they alternate interior angles? Because we just found out that these two lines are parallel. Okay, they're
Yeah,
parallel, and this thing over here is the transversal. So yes, they are alternate interior angles. Okay, fine. So we found one thing. What about the second one? This one. How do we find it? It's very simple.
it can be said it is x.
Okay, you can call it X.
So can we write x plus 20 plus 70 gives 180?
Very good. Exactly. That is exactly what you're supposed to do. Then X becomes,
Uh, 90.
very good. Excellent. Okay, so we have found out both of these angles. Do
You
you
give me
want to do
1 minute to write.
Yeah, okay. Done, Hiba?
No, I'm just finishing.
Okay, let me know when you're done.
Okay, completed.
All right. So let's move on. Hiba, now you are going to tell me how to do the 10th one. Okay, Hiba, have you gotten your unit test syllabus yet?
No.
Okay, as soon as you get it and as soon as you find out when it's gonna happen, please just text me, okay? All right,
Yeah,
shall we
I'll
move
text.
on? Okay,
Yeah.
so the 10th question, the triangle is like this, and this line, more like ray, is parallel to, oh, and we have one over here also. This is 70. Oh, okay. This is 70. This is 30. This is X. And this is Y. Now, you have to find the values of X and Y. How can you do this?
Can you tell me which angle is 70?
Okay. Um, let me show it to you properly here. This angle.
Which line?
Wait a sec. It's called, the name of the angle is angle PRT. Now can you see it? Hmm. Just so that you don't get confused. This is the angle PRT. Okay, or maybe I should make it like this. It'll be better. Fine.
Yeah.
All right. Yeah. Now, how can we go about this, Hiba?
I think Y and 70 like are forming a linear pair.
How are they forming a linear pair? Are they falling on the same line, Y and 70?
No.
See, when you say that they're forming a linear pair, that means it should be like this. This thing and this thing. These two. Are they forming a linear pair?
No.
No, right? Okay, let me give you a hint. Look at the fact, okay, what they've given, I'm sorry, I forgot to mention it, that QP is parallel to RT. This QP, this thing, is parallel to RT, this thing. Now look at it and tell me. These are two parallel lines, QP and RT.
I think X will be 70
Very good. Why?
because they are alternate.
Alternate interior
exterior.
angles. Excellent. Alternate interior angles.
But 70 is exterior, right?
Okay, see, Hiba, let me make it a little bit clearer for you. This, and this. Okay?
Yeah.
This is 70 and this is X. Now tell me,
Uh,
is it making a Z
since
or not?
it is, but 70 is exterior.
No. Look at these parallel lines. Okay, Hiba, look at these two parallel lines. Okay, we usually write it like this, right? Don't write it like this.
Yeah.
Write it like this for once. Okay, if this angle is 70, then what will this angle be?
70.
Why? Because they are forming a Z, alternate interior angles. Got it?
Okay. Yeah.
Very good. Very good. Okay, so
Now x
alternate.
is 70.
Huh.
So we will say y plus 30 plus 70 gives
Very
180.
good. Very good.
And y plus 110.
110.
Sorry, 100.
Yes. Hmm. Y equals how much?
Y is equal to 80.
Very good. Okay. Now we have less than half an hour left. So let's hurry up. 11th one.
Can
Okay.
you just
Yeah.
show me
Write it.
one time?
Write it down. No problem. 11th one, you have to do it by yourself because very simple.
Okay, finish.
All right. So the 11th one is pretty simple. You can do it by yourself. Let's move on to the 12th one. Okay. Heba, read out the question.
In a right angle triangle, if an angle measures 35 degrees, then find the angle.
Okay. Heba, right angle triangle. They have said right angle triangle. So we are drawing a right angle triangle. This is the very basic figure of a right angle triangle. So please draw it. Let me know when you're done.
I do it.
Okay. Now, one angle is how much? 90. That is fixed. The other
Yeah.
angle is how much? They're saying in the question.
35 degrees.
35. Now you have to find the third angle.
It will be x.
Okay, let's say it is x. Then
So x plus 90 plus 35 is 180.
very good. So you can do this by yourself, right?
Yeah. Then x plus 120 gives 180.
120.
Oh, sorry, 125.
Very good. Okay. Hiba, are you done with this question?
Yeah.
Shall we move on to the 13th one?
Yeah.
Okay. So
Each of the two equal angles of an isosceles triangle is 4 times the third angle. Find the
Hmm.
angles of the triangle.
Okay. So this sounds a little bit, complicated. So first, let's draw it out. They are saying isosceles triangle. So let's draw an isosceles triangle first. Actually, we should draw it on the right hand side. This is like the proper way of doing it. Okay. They are saying each of the two equal angles. Can we call the equal angle?
Why should we draw it on the right side?
Actually, that's just a method of writing maths answers. Okay. What happens is when you have a question, you write it like this. Wait. We write it like this. Given. So at this stage, you're in seventh grade, right? So you don't have such complicated questions. But once you reach ninth grade, you're gonna have to follow this particular thing that okay, you write given in the left hand side. Given what do we have given? That whatever this triangle is, let's say ABC is isosceles, right? So AB is equal to AC. So you will write whatever information is given to you in the question itself. So you will write whatever information is given. That's called given. Then you have to write to find. Okay, what is the question asking you to find? And we need to write this because sometimes the question is so long that we lose track of what we were actually supposed to find. Okay, so then we go and look in the question, and sometimes even the question is complicated and long, but in this question it's not. But later on you will have such questions where you'll be searching, okay, where is it given what I'm supposed to find. Okay, so that's why we just write it down to find the measure of the third angle, which is this one. Okay, so we'll write angle A. So all of that text is written on the left hand side, and whatever diagram is there, it's drawn on the right hand side. So that's why I drew it like that. It's not a rule, okay? So don't worry yourself on that. But yeah, let's continue. Okay. So Heba, read the question again.
Each of the two
Equal angle.
angles of an isosceles triangle, equal angle of an isosceles triangle is 4 times the third angle. Find the angles of the triangle.
Okay. Let's say this unequal angle is x. Okay.
Okay.
We will write here let. What do you have to do? You have to find the angles. Okay. Let angle A be x. Okay.
Okay.
Now they are saying each of the two equal angles is 4 times the third angle. What does that mean? Equal angles. This angle is
Yeah.
equal to this angle. So what will these two angles be? They are saying that it is these two angles, each of
Yeah.
them is 4 times this angle. So 4 times x means
4x.
4x. So each of them is
4x.
4x. Yeah, now you have to find all the three angles.
Okay, so we'll say x plus 4x plus 4x is 180.
Very good.
Then it will be x plus 8x gives
Can we
180.
just write 9x?
Yeah.
Hmm.
9x gives 180.
Hmm.
And then we will divide
Hmm.
20.
Very good.
So x is equal to 20.
X is equal to 20. So now angle A is 20, but we need to find the other two angles also. So angle B will be how much?
Angle B. Angle B will be 180.
180. Angle B is how much? 4x, isn't it?
Yeah. Also,
So angle,
20 multiplied by 4.
and that is
It's,
80.
yeah.
And so angle C, what is angle C? Angle C is
Um,
equal to angle B, isn't it? Because it's an isosceles triangle. So that is also 80.
80.
Done?
Yeah.
Okay.
Can you give
Hiba,
me 1
all,
minute to write it down?
yeah, sure. Hiba, also remember, always you have to mention your the unit over here. Don't forget to put this degree sign, okay?
Okay. Can you tell me how angle C is equal to angle B
But
in the
say, is it
triangle?
an isosceles triangle or not?
It is.
An isosceles triangle, when two sides are equal, what else is equal in an isosceles triangle apart from the sides?
But which is the which angle is A?
Which angle is A? This angle.
So what's the line? Like what's the side?
What's the
Side. Like
which
for
side?
B and C, it's the blue one.
Hiba, I didn't get your question.
Like for B and C, it's a blue line. So what is for the A?
See, it's not for B and C. The blue line is AB and AC. Okay. And they are both equal to each other. That is why I have shown them in the same color.
Okay, understand. Can you give me 1 minute to write it down?
Hmm. Done, Hiba?
Yes.
All right. So next, 14th question.
The angles of a triangle are in the ratio 2:3:5. Find the angles.
Okay. What does that mean when they say 2:3:5? Immediately, the first thing you have to do is say 2x, 3x,
3x and
5x.
5x.
Now you can find them?
Yeah.
Okay, find. First, what will be right?
Wait a second. 2x plus 3x plus 5x gives 180.
Very
We
good.
will add
Then?
10x
Then?
is 180, and then we divide it.
Very good. Then?
What is it?
Next?
With and dividing it like
Bache, what is 180 divided by 10?
that. 80.
No, just cancel the 0 and 0. 18.
So
You
x
should
is
have
equal to 80.
you could have just done that over here itself. When you have this 10x is equal to 180, right? Over
Yeah.
here itself, you can just cancel the 0 and the 0.
Okay, and this one. Okay, completed.
Okay, good. What are the final angles that you have gotten? What's the final answer, Hiba?
X is equal to 18.
X, but we are not supposed to find x, right? We're supposed to find the three angles.
Oh, I forgot to do it. After finding all the angles, what do we have just do we have to find anything else?
See, you have to just find the angles. Read the question.
Okay, so
Like how I've done over here is the angles are what? The angles are 2x, 3x, 5x. So instead of x, I've put 18.
okay, understand. We can move to the next question. Last question.
Okay, last one. Okay, tell me, Hiba, how will you do this?
Can we add another angle in the 30-degree and 50-degree triangle?
30 and what?
In that 30-degree and 50-degree triangle, can we add another like x?
But see, you're not adding another angle. That angle is already there. It's just not marked. So yes, you can just mark it as whatever you want. Okay? Are you understanding, Hiba?
Yeah.
Good. How will we do this, Hiba? Actually, Hiba, you don't need to. Mm, actually, yeah, you can do that. But anyway, how are you gonna do this? What's the first thing you'll do?
Um, we will find x.
How will you find x? Look at this triangle, okay? Is x an exterior angle?
Yeah.
What will it be? How will you find it?
30 plus 50.
Very good. X is equal to 30 degrees plus 50 degrees. You will write over here exterior angle property.
Do you always have to write that exterior angle property?
Yeah, just so it's clear to you as well and to the teacher, that the teacher can know that okay, so this girl is aware of what she's using.
Okay.
So we are using the exterior angle property, and x is equal to 80 degrees. Then
R50 and Y like vertically opposite angle.
okay, Hiba, vertically opposite angles are when two lines are intersecting like this. They are forming an X. Are here two lines are intersecting?
No. So they
No,
don't.
right? Hmm. Then there are many ways of finding y actually.
Uh, can we say that Y is equal to 30?
And how come?
Because
Hmm.
now they it's only 30.
Hmm. Hiba, one way that we can use is this. See this angle. Let's call it y. Not y. X is already there. Y is already there. Let's call this angle as z. Okay. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Now, can you see from here that 50 plus z plus y gives you how much?
180.
Very good, 180. So, can we find out z from here? Because if we find out z, then we will be able to find out y. So, can we find
Yeah.
out z?
Yeah.
How?
Z plus 80 plus 45.
Very good. So, z is equal to 180 minus 125.
And then Z is equal to 55.
Very good. So, z is 55. So that means 50 plus, let me just write this thing down here. 50 plus z is what? 55 plus y gives 180. So y is how much?
50 plus 55. 85.
85.
No, so it's 75.
Hmm. Okay. Done.
Yeah.
All right. So Hiba, in the next class, so you will tell me the answer for the 11th one in the next class. Okay. Is that
Okay.
okay?
Yeah.
Okay. And What else? Do you have any other doubts about till here?
No.
No. Okay, wait a minute. So as I was saying, Hiba, whenever you find out about your unit test, just let me know. And by the way, in your school, which chapter are they doing currently?
I think they started the 7th chapter.
The 7th chapter. What's the name of the chapter, bache?
7th chapter.
The name of the chapter which they've
Congruence
started in
of
your school.
congruence
Congruence
of
of triangles.
triangles.
Okay, fine. So we will also be starting that.
I think they started, but I'm not sure. So like tomorrow I'm going to school, so I will ask them.
Okay. 7th chapter is okay. 113. One sec.
I didn't go to school for 4 weeks.
4 weeks. Okay, that's quite a lot. So what was the last thing that you remember that they were doing in the school?
Like I know, like after giving my last exam, I went to.
Okay.
Like,
Hiba, just one sec. Do you remember the hypotenuse, the Pythagoras theorem that we did?
yeah.
Can you
Kind of,
recall?
yeah.
First of all, where do we apply this? Hanji, where do we apply this? Pythagoras theorem comes into play when we have a
like isosceles.
no. Look at the board, the screen.
A right angle triangle.
Yes, right angled triangle. Let's say that the length of this side from here till here is A, and from here till here is B. Then, and Pythagoras theorem states that, and this here till here is C. Pythagoras theorem states that the length of the hypotenuse, which is C square, okay, length of the hypotenuse is C. So the square of that, which is C square, that will be equal to A squared plus, Hiba?
B square.
Remember this?
Yeah.
So we will be doing questions on this in the next class. So please revise, okay, revise your notes of this Pythagoras theorem. Okay, Hiba?
When is our next class?
Our next class is on Monday. Okay, Hiba, one sec. Your homework is apart from that 11th question, your homework